thank you very much. Anne Wales is going to tell us about the Right Decision Service, decision support developments in Scotland.
Thank you very much. So I'm sorry I can't be with you in person today, but I'm very pleased to be able to share with you some of our developments here in Scotland. First of all, a bit about the strategic update for our decision support programme. Several strategy and policy documents give us that mandate. It's highlighted in our national clinical strategy, also in our realistic medicine policy, which is all about reducing unwarranted variation and supporting personalised and shared decision making. It's intrinsic to our public health reform agenda, and most recently, knowledge mobilisation and decision support were specified as a key objective within our digital health and care strategy. The programme covers three main types of decision support tool. Firstly, informational decision support, still actually the most widely used form of decision support according to our latest survey results. So that involves, for example, using mobile handbooks, summarised guidance, and visual pathways. And there are two types of artificial intelligence decision support that the programme supports. Firstly, knowledge-driven expert systems, where the programmer converts guidance and pathways into algorithms that process patient data and push out calls to action in a proactive and intelligent way. So that includes typically calculators, screen alerts, etc. Then the third type of decision support that the programme is beginning to explore in an experimental way is data-driven decision support based on data, real-world data, big data normally rather than existing validated research and guidance. So typically this type of decision support uses machine learning or advanced analytics, NLP, for example, to automatically generate algorithms and models. So as you can see, we cover a spectrum ranging from decisions based on research knowledge through to real-world knowledge. However, the strongest emphasis and investment in the project currently is on the middle type of decision support, the knowledge-based expert systems, where the evidence base is strongest for impact on practice, albeit the evidence also tells us about the importance of change management that aligns with context and human factors. The programme also, in planning for the future, is very aware that the tools and support we're developing within the programme sit in a very wide landscape of development, more widely within health boards, higher education and industry. A large number of developments funded through Innovate UK, for example, that are progressing with the programme. So one of our challenges is to define what the unique contribution of the programme is, how does it add value, how does it engage with the wider innovation landscape, and how can we, with our governance body, our oversight group that's referred to here, ensure some coordination of developments through common principles and standards so that we work towards coherence and convergence over time. So that's the sort of strategic background. Where we are now, the decision support programme is still in what we're calling a research and development phase that's been underway since April 2017. It is reasonably far progressed in its innovation journey. We're at the stage of evaluating and iterating prototypes and testing and getting ready for adoption in a live environment. In terms of what we've delivered, one of our main achievements is the right decision service, which you can access at the URL here. This really brings together the range of tools and resources developed so far. The Right Decision Service is a website where you can find out about the programme, and you can also use two key areas: the discovery area, where you can access quality assured decision support tools, some created through the programme, some mainly in fact from outside the programme. But perhaps more importantly, users can also get access and training in using a tool set to build quality assured decision support resources of all three types that I highlighted a couple of slides back. There's a guidance on the site about quality assurance and CE marking processes, and we also made a start, still early days, but made a start on enabling users to share and adapt resources from a common repository. I'd especially like to highlight within the decision support builder toolset the algorithms editor and engine that we offer. This is essential to creating the knowledge-based expert systems, and also can be helpful with some of the data-driven AI decision support. And a key aspect of our algorithms editor and engine is that the algorithms are created using the guideline definition language, which supports both OpenHR and FHIR standards. It's also associated with middleware to convert non-standards-based EHR data. Most of our EHR systems in Scotland currently don't use standards to any significant extent. The middleware will convert non-standards-based patient data to OpenEHR archetypes, or potentially to relevant FHIR profiles. Examples of what we've delivered, and we'll go through all of these one by one, but just to see we've a mixture currently of tools that are live, informational decision support tools that are live, and tools that are at demonstrator stage in prototype and test environments. A couple of illustrations. This is a decision support alerting working in one of our primary care electronic health record systems vision. This is an alert about a triple combination of high risk medicines based on our polypharmacy guidance. This example here shows the clinician being alerted to drugs that, according to our polypharmacy guidance, might be potentially considered for withdrawal, usually based on very high NNTs, and that's linked with shared decision making aids, where the clinician can discuss benefits and risks with the patient. Same aids, the shared decision making aids, are made available in the mobile app for downloading, so that the patient can look at the information before or after the consultation. So that's just a few examples of the types of decision support we've created so far. Next steps, objectives to the end of March this year. Firstly, to create our first version of this coordinating framework of standards, assurance and guidance and governance function to bring a consistency and convergence to decision support work and ensure safety and value for money in future. We'll be working on the business case and business model for the next stages of development, which we expect to involve a live implementation of decision support in primary care systems, beginning that rollout on an iterative basis in 3 early adopter areas. And then there are specific projects which we're delivering to the end by the end of March that you can see listed here. And that will include submitting relevant applications that are classified as devices for CE marking. Longer term vision is ultimately around decision support as an enabler of this shared information environment that underpins a learning health and care system, where data and information from patients and carers can be combined with practice knowledge, professional knowledge, and scientific evidence to co-produce care decisions. This is just a little glimpse into the architecture vision that we're beginning to develop, where you can see our aspiration is to be drawing upon 3 types of knowledge from data, research and experience, manipulating and managing that knowledge through a common set of decision support development tools, and most importantly, making the algorithms and models that emerge from that, whether they're data-driven or knowledge-based, making those available through a shared repository for reuse. Surrounding all of that with APIs based on these open digital standards, so that the decision support models and algorithms can be delivered through different routes, including electronic health records, but also in the longer term self-management systems and potentially population health management systems as well. So I hope I've managed to keep to time reasonably. Happy to take any questions, and thank you again for the chance to share with you a taster of where we are now and what our aspirations longer term are in Scotland.
Thank you very much. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. And the timekeeping was excellent. 1 or 2 questions, please. Jeremy?
Thanks very much, Anne. Jeremy Wyatt here. Thanks for an excellent talk. I just wondered whether you've had a chance to look at the reuse of knowledge from one application to another, and whether you've got any learning from that exercise.
Could you repeat the question, if you don't mind, coming in one little bit? I know it's about reuse of knowledge, but I didn't get the exact question.
I was asking if you'd had a chance to explore the reuse of knowledge from one system to another, and whether you had any useful learning for us from that exercise.
Still early days, but what I can say is that we are currently working on embedding the same algorithms for polypharmacy and chronic pain in our 2 main primary care systems, Vision and EMIS, here in Scotland. This is just a test operational environment. What we find is that although the algorithms themselves are the same, because Vision and EMIS use different medication codes, we still have to do quite a lot of work mapping those codes into the inputs for the algorithms. We still need to configure the middleware to work separately with Vision and with EMIS, partly because of the differences in APIs, but also because of the different coding systems. So although the 4 algorithms in this instance are the same, it's definitely not a simple matter of plug and play across systems. There's still a lot of engineering work to be done.
Thank you. One more?
Thanks, Anne. That was very clear. Thanks.
Can I just ask, on the early pilots that you've done there, were there mostly human-readable guidelines, decision support advice available, and you were converting it, or were you developing both at the same time?
Our main focus was and remains converting human readable guidelines into algorithms.
Thank you. Thank you very much.